What's up guys, Tim here. Everything's sharp. Had a good day, got refreshed, ready for the work week to start. We got one more day guys, let's make the best of it we can. And we got in tonight and had a package in the mail. I slid it open and we have a Begg knives, BG039 Begg knives. I'll tell you what, these Begg knives are like 50 bucks, 60 at the most. They come in a really nice box, embroidered bag, taco style bag. Man, look at that guy. They come with a cleaning cloth, a sticker, actually a couple stickers. Congratulations on your new Begg knife. Here's your care and maintenance. Some couple models they make there. Crushed velvet on the inside of the pouch. It's really nice. And I own a couple of these Begg knives. This one is the BG039. Of course, it comes really saturated with oil. And it's a slip joint. We got stainless steel bolsters. It's like blue G10, a black shield inlay. The fit and finish on these knives are phenomenal for the money. Phenomenal. You can't feel the pins. Heck, if I was blind, I couldn't tell where that bolster started and stopped there. Got one nail nick. This is a recurve, kind of like a kukri style blade. My hands are big, it does fit good. It's a harpoon drop point recurve, but man, it looks really sick. Like I said, the craftsmanship on this is phenomenal. Walk and talk's a little light, maybe a 3. Come perfectly centered. And I'm sure that walk and talk will get a little bit more pop. Like I said, it's saturated with oil. But it fits really good in the hand. That harpoon right there, perfect spot for the land. Your push cutting, that tip, isn't that really high for your utility cuts, and then that recurve is going to drag the material in as you cut. Yeah, I like this one. Let's do some size comparisons. Probably one of my favorite slip joints. I don't know if it comes across, but listen to these acoustics. It makes like a swoosh sound when you open it, then probably one of my favorite slip joints right here. The Kunwu Geezer. Kunwu's a tad bit bigger. Then we got the Kaiser Zip Slip. About the same size on the Zip Slip and the Begg knife, but the Begg knife has more cutting edge, looks like. And then we got the Sharpshooter Jack. They're about the same size too. And then I got out the Benchmade Bug Out just for guys that don't pack a lot of slip joints. Benchmade Bug Out is a tad better, a tad bigger. Thickness, so you can get the idea of how thick it is. The scales are contoured, which helps with the ergos. Thickness here. Zip Slip, thicker than the Zip Slip. The Geezer, they're close, but it is thicker. The Begg knife is thicker than the Sharpshooter. Not much bigger. In the hand, it feels phenomenal. Feels phenomenal in hand. Like I said, I own a couple of these Begg knives. Really liked it. The first one I bought, misread the the specs on another one I bought, and it was a little small hawk bill, but this one is perfect size for me. Let's check the edge on it. If you're not subscribed, please do so. If you like the video, hit that like button so you don't forget. Yeah, just like the other one, came super sharp. All the way out there on the tip, really, really sharp. Yes, sir. Super sharp. She came sharp, guys. And I appreciate each and every one of you who tune in, hit that like button, comment. This is a JVO design. Yeah, another winner. I wish the shield inlay was metal, but it's okay. I know they make different color of these. There's one, the Black Widow. Something about a slip joint, just the way you open it, is really nice. Just let's see. That spring is flush in the half position. I'm gonna say she weighs maybe 5 ounces. 4 ounces. I was way off on that one, guys. I like the contoured scales. Feels really good in hand. I like that harpoon right there where that thumb lands. Gives you a good spot for that thumb to rest. I mean, the fit and finish is phenomenal. The only thing I don't like is I wish it had a little bit more pop in that walk and talk, but it's decent. Begg knives, BGO 39. Y'all have a good rest of the evening. Stay sharp.